guys, Scott here from Outlaw Garage. We are at Lorbek today. We're out with an event with Porsche Club of Victoria, out in R356. The sun is out, it's been raining all week. Let's have a cracking day. So we're in Lorbek, we're playing a game with Suzette, as we just walked past a lovely Lambo there. Game is $600,000. What car would you go home with if you're buying one today from the showroom? I suspect Suzette is running around at the back looking at race cars somewhere, but we've got a $600,000 limit. So we're at the back of Lorbek. This Viper SRT10, and look at that green. I really like that. It is sold, but it's a right-hand drive car, and I thought there was probably only 10 of those delivered to Australia. So I wonder if that had been converted at some point, maybe. Green's really nice. Always like a Viper as well, so that's a cool car. We came out the back to see the Lamborghini, but there's a few in the showroom, so this one is sold. So there'll be a few more around that we can kind of take a look at. Needs a bit of a wash, bless her. That there. I do like that trim on the back. Maybe a year or so ago that we filmed this when we were here last time. It was a long time ago, many lockdowns ago, but it looks like it's just been parked up and nothing's really happened, so I guess it's on the waiting list of restorations. But bless her, nothing's really happened to her yet. 355 Spyder, yellow's really nice. Oh look, gated shifter, that's nice. That's a very nice car. So we've had the Ferrari 355 behind us, 328 GTS. I don't mind that at all. Yeah, just the older Ferraris are definitely right up my alley. The Targa top is in great condition as well. Have a look in the window in a minute on how much that is. That, my friends, is a gnat's whisker off $400,000. So on our what are we going to get for $600,000, I think we might upgrade the car that we're buying today, but yeah, just shy of $400,000 for that. So this would probably be right up there in my picks today, but it might actually be slightly over my budget. It hasn't got the price in the window, so let's assume this one's naturally really expensive. DBS Superleggera, carbon fibre everywhere. Look at the wheels on this thing. Carbon fibre here, all on the roof as well. Look at that. A Porsche GT4 in the Martini livery, which actually looks really good, especially down the side of the car there, but on the bonnet here as well. Looks really nice. Very shiny in the light today. Not sure that would be my pick for today though, so I think we need to hunt what that will be. AMG SL65. Look at the fenders on this. Look at that. And a massive wing on the rear as well. That's a monster. I don't know if that's a little bit, could you say it was overdone? I'm not sure. But definitely the AMG muscle screaming out from it. Lambo, all the doors open. This is a V12. E-gear. V12 6.2 litre. So we've been distracted by the showroom here at Lorbek, but we're going to take a trip outside now and see what Porsche's turned up with the Porsche Club of Victoria. We're outside, we're looking at the 356s first. The Speedster here, this is a 1956. I think we can see the interior there. There it is. There's someone on a trombone over there. We won't get pinged for copyright, I don't think, on that. But there's the Speedster. I do think they've pulled the engine out because I've got the matching numbers for the engine for the car, and I think they've put a little V-dub motor in it for now. But I think that's what I would do. With the quality of this car, you probably want to keep the engine in good condition, and if you're bombing around the town getting coffees and things, don't think that's a bad idea. Joseph's here with his 356. We've got the bare metal rust bucket with us today, running particularly well. We did tighten the fan belt before we got down here because we were squeaking around a little bit, but that's all kind of fixed. There we go, we've got another 1960B 356 there. This Continental, we've seen this one around a little bit, but 1955 I think it is. Continentals are lovely, so a brilliant little car. Really rare to see them here in Australia, but this is the second one I think we've seen. There is that, what colour is it? It's the jade coloured car as well. C. And then another 356C sat here as well. So we've got a collection of Porsches here. We might pick out a couple of our favourite ones because the green 911 there with that tan interior is particularly nice. But this 993 modified, look at the wheels on this. Really like the colour of those against the colour of the car as well. Big deep dish on the rear. Got a wing up the top there as well. But that looks cracking, that does. We've got Porsche embossed on the seats as well. Haven't seen this one around, so we might try and find the owner and get this one out on the road and on the channel at some point, because there's probably a bit of story behind that one. So I think we need to drop a card off on this car. So we've got a collection of 928s here. I parked all the Transaxle cars together. There is a massive showing of people here, which is really good. So there's Lorbek. Over there, there's like a sea container shipping yard over there, which would probably be really good if one day we could get in and take some photos, because with all of them around that'd be great. But I'm sure you mean there's some safety concerns with us bombing around there, so we might not be able to do that, but we might have a crack one day. Here's a few more. We'll take a look over the other side as well, because there's a few over here. Oh, really nice turnout. That 928's very nice. Don't mind the colour of that. That's like a bronze kind of colour. Oh, really cool. And there's a few of the Transaxle cars together. A couple of GT3 cars here. So we've got a 996. This is a Mark II GT3. And then we've got one of the brand new GT3s here as well. There we go with the nose on it. Black car. It's got the full carbon ceramics. Yellow on the inside to match the ceramics on the outside. That looks epic, that does. And these wings, look at that. That is cracking. So there was one inside, now there's one outside. We've got a Martini liveried Porsche. This one is a GT4. It's got the harnesses in it. So this has the whole pack, it looks like. Let's see if we can look through the window. Yeah, yep, it's got the roll cage. It is a manual car as well. I'm not quite sure we can see that. The light is blocking that. But manual GT4 in the Martini livery. That is full race spec. All right, so we've got 4 cars here in a row as we get the trombone again. Carrera RS 964, an original car. And just see if we can see some of the spec on this. 300 horsepower. Look at the spec on that. Top speed 271. Wow. And then we've got, is this oak green or forest green 911 Carrera? I don't think the camera will pick up the colour well enough, but the gold stripe down the side with the colour is brilliant. Let's see what it says. Oak green metallic with a cork interior. Australian delivered, 2-owner car. Then we've got a modified Targa. I think this is a 74. Can't quite see the information on the windscreen. There we go. We will take a look at the rear of this one because the engine is open. It's had a lot of work done to the engine bay. Yeah, very nice.
And these two came together.
I think they are looking to take this out on track very soon. Zenith carburetors, I can see that's written on the windscreen. And then we've got a Yellowbird tribute car. So a 911S coupe, 1974 car, but a tribute to a Ruth Yellowbird. Here we go on the windscreen. Oh, look at the interior. It's like a houndstooth but yellow to match the outside of the car. Actually, really like that. Momo steering wheel. Very clean interior. Somebody's done an excellent job on this. That looks so nice. And with the outside of the car, they've done a cracking job on that. But we've got 4 very special 911s in a row. So great turnout. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We've had a great day here at Lorbek and with the event from Porsche Club of Victoria. Brilliant day out. Weather has come out for us, so we've had a great day. Please drop the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next time.